Truth be told, this is not something that I make often. And while I am a huge fan of potatoes, fries are probably my least favorite way to enjoy them. Nevertheless, I have a pretty decent homemade fries recipe that is the perfect side dish to your fried chicken or your fried fish. Now, unlike any other French fries video on YouTube, I actually keep the skins on my fries. If I want fries to come out like fast food fries, then I will just buy them because they're really not worth the time and effort. So I'm trying to make my fries real Homestyle and Rustic. I'll also be using some spices to season them up. Make sure to scrub the potatoes to get the dirt off it, but not too hard that you remove the layer of skin. Then you want to cut up the potatoes into whatever size you prefer. I'll go in for a strong fry, not too flimsy, but also not too concerned with making all of them come out the same size and shape. So feel free to approach this however you prefer. You want to make sure you put your fries in water while you prepare for the next step. Bring some water to a rolling boil. Then you want to add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Boiling the potatoes in baking soda breaks down the pectin in the potato and draws out the starch. And this really helps in getting the potato even more crispy when frying. You want to boil the potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes, then remove from the water. Place them on a rack or in a tray. And you want to transfer them to your freezer to chill out for a few minutes. About 30 minutes, give or take. And while the potato is on ice, let's make a simple spice blend to season them up. You want to add some salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some roasted jeera. Mix that up and boom, we in a gear. And once the potato is chilled, you want to bring your oil up to temperature and fry till golden brown texture like sun lays me down with my mind she runs throughout the night. No need to fight, never frown with golden brown. Yeah, I can't sing, so I not even try. Just off a little wildness, I decided to season these fries in super slow motion. Well, technically I seasoned them at regular speed and the camera did the slow motion. But look at that now. Dramatic, eh? Real dramatic business. And check out the cross section of the fries. Light and crispy. Yes, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Perfectly seasoned. And the only thing missing is a little dipping sauce for it. So I'm feeling a little extra, I'm doing 2. The first one is our rum shop special. This is a throwback to my days of heavy liming by Silbert's and thing. A bit of soy sauce, some pepper sauce, and some ketchup. Don't know. Next one is the good old faithful curry mustard. Some mayo, a touch of mustard, and a teaspoon of curry. And don't skin up your face. This real best. Try it. And there we have it. Our homemade rustic fries with our rum shop sauce and a curry mustard. And feel free to add your own tweaks to this recipe to make it your own. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, please give it a thumbs up. And the full recipe can be found on eatahfoodtt.com. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. And remember to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.